I am the AfroGirl, and welcome to MX Breaks, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. We start off our stories with the Ghana Revenue Authority, who have justified their decision to impose taxes on Ghanaian bloggers, masters of ceremonies, and influencers, among many others. According to the commissioner in charge of the Domestic Tax Revenue Division of the GRA, Edward Jambra, the e-commerce taxation was launched as part of getting people who work online especially to pay taxes. He went on to share that they are expanding the tax net, and it does not necessarily mean that they are introducing a new tax. If you are generating income from any business, that income is taxable. And so if you sit behind a computer and create content and generate income from that, they will tax the income. Moving on, Idris Elba has delved into his acquired in-depth knowledge of the Asante Kingdom and gold in his latest documentary titled Gold, A Journey with Idris Elba. The piece explores gold, its relevance and significance to the world. It then shifts its focus to the powerful Asante Kingdom, which was built on gold some 300 years ago. Now we have a teaser that was released, so let's see it.
I'm going to tell you a story far more incredible than I ever imagined. There's nothing else like it. A miracle of nature. I'm talking about gold.
And this is worth like, what, $1 million?
I'm on a journey to discover how our love of gold began.
Look, I'm going to tell you, I'm a little claustrophobic, so I'm a little nervous about going 3 kilometers into the earth.
Whoa. Sometimes hard to swallow, you know? I can actually feel the heat, you know? Woo. This is the first time I've ever seen gold being poured.
I want to discover the human story of gold. My mom is from Ghana, so there's a very special meaning for me. How it shapes us and our world. The entire city of San Francisco came about as a result of finding a few nuggets of gold at the bottom of a river.
Mr. Strauss became the most successful of all California Gold Rush businessmen by far.
The gold rush transformed America, and today, gold is transforming.
I don't know about you, but the documentary seems like something. I don't watch documentaries at all, but this seems like something I would actively like to watch. And so kudos to Idris Elba. Now moving to Nigeria, Maven Records is reportedly considering options for a sale or investment, and significant bids have emerged from industry giants like Universal Music Group and Hybe. The deal is estimated to be valued between $125 million and $200 million, and Shot Tower Capital, an independent investment bank, is actively facilitating the negotiation process. The strategic move by Maven Records is aimed at raising funds to fuel its growth, especially considering the anticipated global prominence of the African music industry in the years ahead. Even if the investment comes from a strategic investor like UMG or Hybe or any other label or music company, the Maven management team, led by, of course, Don Jazzy, is expected to maintain control over the company's future direction. My goodness, Nigeria to the world, Charlie. Wow, we cannot wait to see how this ends. And this is a really, really huge move for Don Jazzy and his team. Moving on to some international news, Drake has shared that he's taking a break from music to focus on his health. While hosting an episode of his radio show, Table for One, Drake revealed he plans to put a pause on his music for about a year or a little longer than that. He shared that he's been having the craziest problems with his stomach, and so he needs to focus on his health and get it right. This comes after he released his 8th studio album For All the Dogs, under which his song Fear of Heights caused quite a stir with fans because many believe he threw unnecessary shade at Rihanna. I have the lyrics of the song. Let's see and then analyze it. So he said, Look, why they make it sound like I'm still hung up on you? That could never be me. Girl can't run me. Better him than me. Better it's not me. I'm anti, and that is supposedly reference to Rihanna's Anti album. Yeah, and the sex was average with you. Yeah, I'm anti because I had it with you. Okay, I'm anti like your daddy's sister, anti like a family picture, and I had way better be than you, to be honest. Yeah, that man, he's still with you. He can't leave you. Y'all go on vacation. I bet it's Antigua. And I find it just weird. I find it just weird that you had a thing with someone and then you come out in a song to say all of these things when at some point you really did like the person. But guys, that's about it for entertainment news. That's about it for MX Breaks with me, the AfroGirl. You know what to do. Everything entertainment and lifestyle, we at MX24, we've got you covered. So give us a follow at MX24GH. I'm out.